Agency leaders, here are the facts that you need to know. 40% of agencies leverage high-level report summaries they know their clients will read and understand. The problem? Those summaries are a pain to write, not to mention the data analysis you have to go through. Here's another fact. AI Summary from Agency Analytics makes that chore easy and takes less than a minute. Here's how. Start by logging into Agency Analytics and selecting the report that you've created for your clients. Then head over to Objects within the Widgets window and pull over the AI Summary option within there. In just a few seconds, an executive summary is created, providing a rundown analysis of your report. Feels like magic, right? And in less than a minute. Before you wave your wand and say you're all done, take a look. It's a lot of information in there. I recommend popping into the summary at this point and making some edits, as you can see me doing here. Nipping, tucking the language a little bit, bolding those key things you want to have called out within your report. Heck, try taking your AI summary analysis and turning it into bullet points if you want. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Save, and then share with your client. And there you go. Client report summaries in less than a minute. No, it's not magic. It's AI, built directly into Agency Analytics. Explore AI Summary and other AI tools within Agency Analytics, free for 14 days. Start reporting smarter, not harder.